In today's video, we'll be tackling a common issue, random restarts in Windows 10. So let's dive right in. First, disable automatic restart to prevent your computer from rebooting without warning. Next, outdated drivers can often cause random restarts. Let's make sure all your drivers are up to date. Press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Now go through each category. Right-click on your devices and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for updated driver software. This will update all the drivers on the Device Manager. Next, let's check for Windows Update. Windows updates often include important fixes and improvements. Make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings by pressing Windows key plus I, then click on Windows Update. Here, click on Check for updates and install any available updates. Now, next step is to scan for malware. Malware can also cause system instability. Let's run a malware scan to rule this out. Press Windows plus I to open security. Go to Windows Privacy and Security. Go to Windows Security and tap on Virus and Threat Protection. And then quick scan. If nothing is found, consider running a full scan. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the random restart issue on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.